It's Frank with Stonelink Property Manager here at 524 Central Avenue, Unit 1, Pawtucket, Rhode Island. It's a first floor, newly renovated, 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom apartment for rent. Starting our video tour right when you walk in, back entrance here. Straight ahead, you get the largest of the 3 bedrooms. Brand new carpeting in all 3 bedrooms. High ceilings, fresh paint. Big windows for plenty of natural light. Huge closet space. You can easily fit a king set. To my right here in the hallway, you got half bathroom. Next door to the largest bedroom, you got second bedroom. Easily fit queen set. Good sized closet space there as well. Move into our open floor plan with eating kitchen here. Kitchen island with dishwasher, granite marble countertops, undermount sink. Lots of storage space. Got stainless steel refrigerator, electric stove, gorgeous backsplash. Built-in microwave here. Big open floor plan. New lighting. Lots of big windows in here as well. Facing the front of the house. To my right here, you get the full bathroom. Dual sinks. Shower tub. Gorgeous backsplash there as well. Very spacious. And next to the bathroom, you got the 3rd bedroom, could easily fit a queen set, possibly a king. Little walk-in closet there, built-in shelving as well. We make our way over to the front of the apartment. You got your private front entrance, brand new washer dryer in unit. Like to apply for 524 Central Avenue, Unit 1, Pawtucket, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.